Hello friends, today we're going to see the next command in a Sketcher domain that is called as a simple operation toolbar. So again, go into mechanical design, go into Sketcher, follow the same procedure which I mentioned in my previous video. Okay, I will keep as it is, say OK. Again, I'm selecting the XY plane and Sketcher zone. Okay, I have already covered this profile toolbar. Now today we're going to see this particular operation toolbar. Once I complete this profile to perform different operations may be a jumper, fillet, trim, it may be a mirror, it may be a symmetry. We require this operation toolbar. Okay, so let's start with one by one. The first one in the operation one is a simple a corner, or we call this as a simple a fillet. The second one is jumper. Then third one we having a different trims, and here we are having a different commands. So we will see one by one. And remember this particular part, a 3D element. The name itself indicates this is widely used for a 3D or simply a part modeling. So I will not cover this part right now here. Okay, so to understand this first one, I will come up with the two different sketches. I will draw a first rectangle. See, I am drawing all the drawings without dimensions. How to provide or how to give the dimensions I will cover in my upcoming videos. And here I will come up with again two lines, one is vertical, one is horizontal, to understand how this particular command works. When I select this one corner or fillet, okay, see in the sketch toolbar what we get again different kinds of fillet. If I count 1 2 3 4 5 6, so by the sixth method or by the 6 ways we can simply come up with the fillet. And similar to this particular fillet or corner we have a jumper. Okay, so let's see one by one. This is a simple corner. It indicates trim all elements. Okay, I'm selecting the first line, I'm selecting the second line. Now see what happened. It simply gives us a corner or fillet with some radius. If you want, you can change it. How? I will explain in upcoming videos. Clear? Now next part here. When I select this one, what this indicate? Trim first element. Let's see how it works. Select this. My first selection is this vertical line. See very carefully. And selection of second one is this. Now see what happened. What happened? The first line got trim, but the second line is as it is. When I compare with this, here trim all element, and here trim first element. See, trim all element and trim first element. Now the next one is no trim. Let's see what happened. No trim. So to understand this concept, I am using this particular figure. No trim. Select the first, select the second, and say okay. See what happened. Nothing. Just we got the corner or radius or fillet, but no trim. Here all trim, here first element trim, here no trim. So depending upon your application, you select any one of it. The next, what does indicate? It indicate standard line trim. Okay, so to understand this concept, I am again using this particular sketch. Go here. So again the first vertical line, the second horizontal line, and see that is the difference. In the previous, here see it indicates we have the two lines, but here all those two extended lines got trim. That is this one, that is standard line trim. Now go for next one. This is construction line trims. Now see what happened. Now these standard lines gets converted into construction lines. That is the difference between the previous and the current one. Clear? It's very simple. The next one is this. That is again construction line with no trims. See, this no trim and this construction both are the same. Only difference. See this particular symbol and this. Here we have the solid lines and here we have the construction lines. Similarly for this also. So again select this. Select first, select second, and see what happened. We got this to a construction line. So in this way we can come up with a different corner options. The selection is yours based on the given figure. Clear? Okay. Okay, after the corner or fillet, let's move to the next command, that is chamfer. This chamfer is again similar to that of corner. So let's see quickly. Again I am doing a same procedure. This chamfer is having the angle and the length, and this corner is having only radius. Okay, so let's go by one. Again all edge trim. Select the first, select the second, say OK. Now see, this is a length and this is an angle. You can change the angle as well as you can change its length. Now next is again a simple first line trim. This is the first line, this is my second line or selection, and say OK. See, the previous command, here radius was there, here also radius was there, but the current here a chamfer. The next, this one, select the first line, select the second line, say OK. I'm not going in details because I have already covered in detail about this particular corner, right? Okay, then go for the next one. That's this one, standard line trims, first, second, and third. Say OK. Right. The next two are the construction lines, the first and second. Again we compare these two. Here we have the solid lines and here we have the construction lines. Again the selection is remains same, and this and this. If we compare, again here we have a solid lines and here we have a construction lines. The procedure is remain same, so I'm not repeating the same thing over here, right? Okay.